cold, mud, rain? Need protection from the elements? Demand Seizmik.
Hey everybody, I'm Nick from Seizmik. Thanks for checking out our video on the Honda Pioneer 1000 framed upper door kit. The framed upper door kit comes with PVC coated panels wrapped around a steel tubular frame. What we've done to create a nice enclosure for the Pioneer 1000 is create a subframe along the vehicle's roll bar. This allows our outer door frame to fit up snugly, really creating a nice snug fit. The PVC panels are attached with Velcro, and this allows us to adjust the tension of the fabric as needed when the weather changes. In order to create a stable door, we needed to come up with 3 points of contact between the vehicle and the lower door itself. Point number 1 uses this low-profile steel bracket and this hinge point. Points number 2 and 3 are down along the top edge of the door itself and require 2 holes to be drilled. The first was in the front and 1 in the back. You may wonder why our hinge point sticks so far out away from the vehicle. It's because of the location of the lower factory hinges. In order for the door to work as one cohesive unit, our upper hinge point had to be aligned with the factory lower hinges, and that put our hinge point right here. The door kits include UV-resistant PVC window panels with dual zippers, and like all Seizmik doors, we include a mirror mounting bracket in the corner, so it positions your mirrors just like it does on your truck. It gives you great visibility on both sides of the vehicle. We include a pull tab and an interior door latch strap, which operates the latching mechanism of the lower factory door. It makes opening the door from the inside and the outside even much more convenient. The Seizmik framed upper door kit for the Honda Pioneer 1000 works with most available windshields and roofs on the market today.